Discover the magic of Amla Powder, nature's secret superfood. Packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients, KDH Amla Powder is a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting immunity to promoting healthy hair and skin, Amla Powder has it all. Add it to your smoothies, yogurts, or even use it in homemade face masks for a radiant glow. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your well-being with the natural goodness of Amla. Order your pack of KDH Amla Powder today and unlock the potential of this incredible superfood. Experience the goodness of Amla by purchasing KDH Amla Powder from the India at Home website.